In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located on the top of the cowl. Let's get into it. We're going to take this cover off. There's screws in the back here and in the front. We're going to use an 8mm socket. Take these out. And same on the other side. Grab the panel, slide it up, and there should be some clips right here. Just push down on the clips. They're pretty brittle. Sometimes they break. The rest of them have broken off this one. And grab the filter, pull it up, and it kind of slides out. Take the new filter, slide the base in, just like that. And then we'll push it in. And there should be those clips if they're not broken. Clip it in place. That's good. Line that up. And take the screws, get those started. Tighten these down. And do the same on the other side. Snug those down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.